Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have the classic What's in My Bag tag. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I keep in my bag, if you're a little nosy like me, because I'm all about seeing what people carry around in their bag, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so the bag that I have right now is the Teddy Blake Katie 14-inch gold. I want to say the color is called Visile. I don't know. I'm gonna put it down below because you guys know I can butcher some words. But anyways, this is the bag. I absolutely love it. It is a Italian leather, guys. So I was watching a movie the other day, and it was like the last thing of the 50 Shades of Grey movie. I mean, we can talk all about that book and the movie, and if you hate it, whatever. Okay, the last movie wasn't that impressed. But anyways, I was watching the movie, and Anastasia, she went ahead and she was rocking her Birkin bag. Exact dupe. I mean, it looks exactly like it. This bag is gorgeous. As you can see, it is beautiful leather. It has these straps that you can kind of come out and cinch the bag closed. And I'm going to show you, cinch it closed. You can leave it closed like that. Is usually how I kind of do it because I just like the, you know, it's just pretty easy to run around. I do love how it has the gold hardware on the bottom, so if you set it down, it's just not on the floor. Very, very nice quality. You can smell the leather when you open up the box that it comes in. It does come with its own duster. So, and if you wanted to go ahead and just put everything over, it goes like that, and everything will slide through. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I've been wanting one of these bags forever. I've honestly been trying to update my handbag for a while. As you guys do know, if you did not know, I did a What's in My Bag tag a long time ago, and I've been wearing the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 bag forever. It's just one of those timeless bags. I absolutely love it, but I wanted to update to a, you know, a different higher end bag. And the way these kids be spending my money, it's not just happening. So this is actually for the quality superior. It's way cheaper than the Louis Vuitton bag. And let me tell you something, I love my Louis, but this leather is way thicker than the leather that is on my Louis Vuitton bag. Like, this is really, really thick, durable, high quality leather. So anyways, I have a bunch of coupon codes, a bunch of info. If you guys want to get yourself one, maybe get one for you and then get another one for someone for Christmas, because you got to treat yourself, even if it's the holiday season. Who else to spoil but yourself? I'm going to leave it all below. But if I absolutely love this bag. This is my favorite. The Caddy 14 is where it's at. Okay, so let me show you. If you go ahead and open inside the bag, it does have suede. Yes, girl, I said suede. Suede on the inside. Lots of room, lots of compartments. So that's what we're looking like. And we're just gonna go ahead and start reaching in. All right, in the side pocket, it does come with like the little lock, and here's like the key, and if you wanted to tie it around the edge, you can do that. I just kept it in here for some reason. I think because I didn't want my kids to get it. But yeah, so, you know, it's like fancy, guys. Fancy, fancy. Here's a little fun fact. My Louis Vuitton came with a lock, but it never came with a key. I'm not gonna tell you how much I spent on that bag. So inside my bag is receipts for Christmas shopping, because it's that time of year. Got my cell phone. A lot of people always ask me about my cell phone case. I got it from a company called Hanogram. I'll leave everything linked down below, and this just, you know, case has my name. But yeah, I don't know. I think this is like iPhone 7 Plus or something. I don't know. Could be the 5. I don't know. It's just an iPhone. All right, I got my car keys. Oh, I got one of these little Speedy reward passes. If you live in the Chicagoland area, you got a little Speedy card, because if you get a fountain pop, every third one is free. Got my wallet. I know a lot of people are like, ooh, girl, you got a Burberry. No, I don't. This is fake. But it's like packed to the gill. I mean, it's ridiculous. There's coupons in here. I pretty much, is that money? No. No, it's not money in my wallet. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned out, but you know, that's another day's struggle. But yeah, my wallet, I'm gonna keep it forever. I keep my wallets forever. Dollar Tree receipt, Aldi receipt. Okay, so I went ahead and ordered one of these little compartment holder thingies. Only reason I got one of these this small was just to hold like change, my makeup and stuff like that. I didn't want an actual makeup bag because I didn't want to have like to zipper it because I wouldn't have used it. I just throw the stuff in there anyways. So inside here I have just setting powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte. If you guys have ever seen this, this is like one of my favorite ones. It does work for the price. You can't beat it. I got some pens because, you know, I got some business cards for my girl Melissa. Hey Melissa girl, here's your business cards, gotcha. What else do I have? Oh, one of my favorite lip liners. This is MAC Soar. This is one of the ones you will always see me wearing if I'm wearing like a pinky neutral lip. This is a Real Techniques face brush. This is what I use for my powder. It's one of my favorites. Love this one. Another one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. This is Trust Issues from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's really pretty. I wore that, I think this in one of my videos, my recent videos. So really nice. Oh, another one of my favorites. This is MAC's Cream Cup. One of my favorite lipsticks ever. This is one of the ones I'm always wearing. Oh, here's another favorite, MAC's Flesh Pot. This is another like nudie one. If you guys ever wanted like a MAC lipstick collection, I got you faded because I got a million of them. They are probably my favorite brand ever. Oh, I got a little perfume. This is just a little Juicy Couture. I don't know what kind. It's just a little juicy one. More pens. Some Splendas that I probably stole from a restaurant. I don't even use Splenda no more because they got carbs. I have some of my own business cards. I do freelance makeup on the side, so I always try to keep some cards with me. And, sorry, and some change. Alright, what else is in my bag? A Victoria's Secret's Bombshell Body Mist. Oh gosh, I absolutely love this one. It smells so good. I just got it in my face. But yeah, it's one of my favorites when it's not on my face. Another receipt. This is from Jewel. It's like a grocery store. Oh, gift cards. We got dinner and a movie gift card for me and the honey. Oh, here goes my planner. I just keep this with me for, you know, whatever. I just kind of, and then what I've been doing too is writing out like my grocery list when I'm at work and trying to plan out my meals. Since I am intermittent fasting, I've been using this, and I've been really watching my carbs. So this has really been helping me like with dinner ideas and stuff like that. So planning is essential for success for me these days. One of these Just To You Kohl's things, you know, if you can get all the deals. And a nail file. That's all I got, I think, in here. Do I have anything else? So yeah, that's basically all I have in my bag. I have been really trying not to clutter it up as much, but basically what really just takes over my bag is receipts. And usually I have like a crap ton of like napkins, but luckily for me, my kids have finally just got over a cold, but I always have like napkins in the center console of my car because, you know, kids and boogers, so. But all right, if you guys are interested in getting you one of these bags, you need to go ahead, click the link down below. These bags, I swear to you guys, so nice, so freaking luxurious. I absolutely love it. I feel like I'm like on my A game with this thing. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right guys, take it easy. Bye.